Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel CuteSweetHome. You know, I like to make several earrings in one video, and today I'll show you how to make these amazing earrings. I really like these Chanel earrings, and you? What earrings you like more? Write in the comments your opinion about these earrings, about this video, because I really try to make these earrings. And guys, I need your support. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And let's start. I drew a form of earring on paper and cut out it. Then take polymer clay and cut out the form of clay. Smooth the surface. And I will use different beads and rhinestones. Cover with liquid Fimo. And place these beads on top. Actually, you can take any beads and rhinestones what you like. And need to bake it in oven. After baking, I fix with super glue to hold it well. Also, I polished the surface and covered with varnish. Oh, looks so beautiful! I like these earrings. Make second earrings. This will be easy and beautiful earrings. Make a texture on the surface. Take beads and push them into the clay. Need to bake it in oven. Fixing fastenings with super glue. Cover with varnish. This is finish varnish. And sprinkle with sparkles. I like gold sparkles. Need to wait until the varnish will be dry. Connect two parts of earring together. And make one more earrings. I cut it out the form of clay. Make a texture. And I covered the surface with gold acrylic paint. I applied paint to the surface with my finger and need to bake it in oven. And cut out part of gold sapphire adhesive film. And now need to polish the surface. Glue it to the surface. And cover with varnish. After drying, collect all details of earring. Friends, big thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked everything and everything was clear for you. So see you in next video and bye!